Okay, lady. You wondering what's going on, baby? Yeah. That's really fun. There's a good old rain cell above us right now. And this wind is blowing the water on us. It's getting wet, huh, lady? You getting wet, baby? Yeah. You watching? You watching? Yeah, you gonna watch? Wanna like sit on my lap? Yeah. So cute. She loves to watch the storm. Just like our last Great Dane, she just loved the storms too. She was just chill out on the porch, on the porch in her bed. But she's more like, I'm watching it. You watching it, lady? You see it all going on? Yeah? Kind of listening. I know there's another cell that developed behind us. I want to kind of keep an eye behind me. Be sure that doesn't get too crazy. Oh, that lady over here, baby, over here. Oh my gosh, there was a lightning bolt behind us. Yeah, done. Oh, see, it's a repeat from yesterday. A bolt just happened right where I was. Man, that's great. Please don't pull my phone out of my hand. I don't want to have to fetch it for the yard. I don't have it on the thingy. It should be easier to hold on to. I'm trying to see if our tarantula shows up. We had a tarantula in our yard yesterday. Pretty funny. We were out looking for frogs. And, oh, look at that. And I was looking for frogs and I walked around back to the stairs and lo and behold, there was a tarantula on our porch. Okay, come on. Why is it not focusing anymore? Hold on. Let me see what happened here. There we go. Is it dirty? Hold on. Let me see if the lens got wet. Hold on. Where's my lens? No, it's just having a hard time focusing. What's going on here? There it is. Come on, give me one more. Now I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. It's okay. We'll dry fast, right, lady? What? You want to go in? She's freaking out right now. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want to go in? All right, we'll go in. You want to go in? Whoa, okay, there was that one. I didn't see where that one was. You baby, look away. Where was that one? Come on, let's go back in. Come on. All right, we're going to kick it off. Let's get too wild.